Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KBLB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really strong bounce. I mean, when you think about the fact that the price was all the way down there, and then all of a sudden the price ultimately closed all the way up there, any rational person would say, yeah, that's definitely been a very solid bounce on the day. But that does lead to the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is just a key level of support down here at, let's see, what is that? The 20-cent mark. Why is 20 cents important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 20 cents. If the price were to go down to 20 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back to where it was. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, behaved in that manner, and then started to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 20 cents. What about levels of resistance? Well, as of right now, it's all about that purple line there, which represents the 50-period moving average on my chart. You can see right there was a temporary breakout of it, but that wasn't actually a real breakout as the price ultimately dropped back below it and then rejected and rejected again. And in fact, now that I look right there, didn't hit it exactly, but the final 30 minutes once again was rejected. Not saying that level can't be broken, just saying that apparently according to the story that's being told to us here via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring its A game to be able to fight through that level. In the event the price can break through it, next key level of resistance would be up there at that pink line, the 200-period moving average. But anyway, look at it, very nice bounce today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum and bounce going forward. Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.